In the last couple of years, I've come to realise that there's two types of photographer in the real estate photography industry. There's the ones that want full control over their shooting and editing, which is what I was for years. And then there's the ones that are perhaps a bit more efficient with their workflow, which are happy to kind of shoot bracketed mode and then just send everything off to editors, or even use AI editors, which I now do and I'm going to talk about later. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can become more efficient with your shooting and editing and hopefully start to make a lot more money and be more successful in the real estate photography industry. I've been in this industry now for about 20 years now, believe it or not. But it's only the last few years that I would say I've been earning a decent living out of this, making six figures. And that is partly down to the fact that I am now more efficient with my workflow. Like I say, I used to shoot and edit everything myself. So I'll be shooting flambient, taking lots of flash shots. It would take a while on each shot and then would take ages editing it. And I would be up way past midnight and be absolutely knackered the next day. But now I've been shooting bracketed and actually using an AI editor, now the most recent way of editing. I've just found this has speeded up my workflow and I'm able to do more jobs in one day, and I've just got more time for other areas of my business, which has allowed me then to start making more money. So this video is kind of aimed at everyone, whether you're a beginner wanting to find an easy, efficient way to shoot, or maybe like me, you've been in the industry for a while and you're just looking to find a more efficient way of working. Hopefully this will help you and you can start sort of pushing your business on. So there will be things in this video which probably will irritate some more experienced photographers and say you shouldn't be shooting like that. But like I say, I didn't shoot like this for a long time and I did it the sort of long-winded way, which you could say you're a better photographer doing that way. But then I decided to just sort of strip things back and do this sort of, I guess you could say, easy route, a more beginner route. And like I say, it's just made my workflow so much easier. So I'm just going to talk you through those camera settings now, which I shoot on to do the bracketed HDR. So I'm just going to talk you through the camera settings now because they are the same pretty much from every camera you use, but obviously they're just going to be slightly different the way you find it in the menu settings. But I will show you on the back of this camera here, which is the Sony a6700. So I shoot 3 shots, 2 stops apart. There are occasions where you might want to shoot 5 shots if it's really bright outside and dark inside perhaps, but generally it's 3 shots, 2 stops apart. I set my camera to aperture mode and I put it on f9 and I have it set on ISO 200. And then all you have to do then is literally set your camera up in the room where you want to take the shot and click the shutter release button. That's it. Shooting this way just makes it so quick and easy in the property because like I say, you're not having to dial in any settings at all. You've literally got it set up on aperture mode and you literally just have to press the shutter release button. And like I say, I know that probably will irritate a few more experienced photographers out there, but if you're a beginner, this is such an easy way to shoot. And as long as you start to get your eye for the shot, you're going to be absolutely fine shooting this method. So I'll put a few examples on the screen of what I've been getting shooting this way. And obviously these are edited. They're like 3 shots. They're blended together. So you've got one for the highlights, one for the shadows, and then one in the middle. And then these are blended together using the AI editor, which I'm going to show you in a moment. And you get results like I'm showing on screen now. So when it comes to editing, to be honest, you don't really have to do much editing because I now use a company called Auto HDR, and I've got a link below, which is an affiliate link if you want to use it. But I think you do get 30 free photos or 30 free edits when you sign up. So you can give it a go first off to see if you think it's any good or not. But like I say, I'll put some more images on the screen now so you can see the kind of quality that you can get from this. But with Auto HDR, all you have to do is just upload your images to the site and then simply wait about 20 minutes for them to be done, and then you can download them and they're ready. I do a little bit of quality checking, like I do sometimes have to just tweak a little bit of the brightness and stuff in Lightroom, but apart from that, there is very minimal editing that you'll have to do. If you want a more in-depth look at Auto HDR, I have done a video which I will link at the end of this video so you can have a total walkthrough of how you upload and how you download from there. But it really is very simple. And like I say, this just saves me so much time in the evening. I'm not up past midnight anymore. And like literally when I'm uploading the photos, waiting for them to be edited, I can be doing something else like sorting my floor plans out or just sorting my diary for the next day. And everything is just so much more efficient. So if you are starting out in this industry, you will need to produce floor plans as well. And the easiest way to do that is use something like Cubicasa, where you can literally just use your phone, scan around the property, and you don't have to learn how to draw a floor plan. So I hope with that method of shooting plus using Cubicasa, you'll have a really efficient workflow, and hopefully you'll be able to expand your real estate photography business like I have over the last couple of years and start making some more money. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, I have loads of videos on here about how to become a better real estate media pro. So please do subscribe. For now, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.